Hi there, Network Guru here. Looking to post a job on Craigslist using your phone. Whether you're hiring for a full-time role or looking for part-time, Craigslist is a great place to connect with potential candidates. I'm going to walk you through the entire process so you can get your job out there in no time. Let's jump in. First thing first, open Craigslist app on your phone. If you don't have it installed, just go to App Store or Google Store, search for Craigslist and download it for free. Once you are in the app, select the location where you want your job ad to appear. Make sure you pick the right city or area, it helps ensure you're reaching local job seekers. Now look for the post button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Then tap Create Posting. You can also upload an image or company logo if you'd like. While it's not necessary, it can help make your ad stand out and give your listing a professional touch. A good logo can make a huge difference in attracting candidates. You will also need to enter the location of your work. If the job is remote, you can mention it later. Be specific to avoid misunderstandings. Choose the type of ad you want to create. In this case, select the job offered option. Next, you'll be asked to pick a job category. Choose the one that best fits your position. Are you hiring for a tech role? Maybe something is marketing, customer service, or hospitality. There are plenty of options. Just pick what works best for you. Tap Continue. Now comes the fun part. Here you'll enter the details of the job. Start by adding a clear, catchy job title, something that grabs attention. Then in the description box provide details, breakdown of the job, include information like the job's responsibilities, required experience, salary if you'd like, and any perks on benefits. Be clear and concise to avoid confusion. Now it's time to add your contact information. You can provide an email address or phone number, but keep in mind that Craigslist gives you the option to keep your email anonymous. So if you'd prefer, Craigslist can forward responses to your email without revealing it. This option keeps things secure. Before you go live, review your post, make sure all the details are correct and that everything looks great. A quick double check ensures you don't miss anything important. Once you're satisfied, tap Post to submit your job listing. Your ad will go live and potential applicants can start reaching out. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.